guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, okay, I don't know if you can hear, but I'm playing music. Okay, put that over there. So today we are going to be making another slime. So remember when we made this slime? It's like a puffy butter slime kind of. We added some rainbow beads and we got the coconut scented white slime, and then I got my other slime fell, and then we added some of these Gucci colored heart sprinkles, glitter inside. And now today we're going to be doing green, but we need some ingredients. And maybe some hot pink heart glitter. Okay, that's it what we were doing, right? Okay, guys. Guys, what do you think it's going to be scented? I think watermelon. Write what you think in the comment section down below. Like this video if you think it's watermelon. And like this video if you think it's strawberry. I don't know. It's mint. Guys, mommy. Or mom. The green is mint. Guys, I wish you could smell this. It's so good. Yeah, I think one day I'm gonna invent a smellophone. My mom does not want to be in the video. Or do you?
I don't mind. This smells absolutely amazing. Oh my goodness. I love that. Wow.
Smells like garlic now.
Explain to them, your viewers, why.
My mom is cooking chicken. Wait, what is it? Chicken? No.
Chicken kebabs.
Garlic! I'm a vampire. Just joking. Okay. Take all of it out. Yeah, it smells like garlic mint. I don't know if you've ever smelled garlic mint. Yeah, I'm gonna invent a smellophone when I grow up. It's a telephone where when you're on FaceTime, there's a button with the nose and the flower next to it. Just like one of these flowers. Yeah.
I'm sorry. It's my bed. You know it. My bed.
Oh, my mom said it's my bed. Because the song is playing bed. Okay, ready guys? Got to be careful. Just like McDonald's bags, it's hard to open this. Oh, and the smellophone, you can smell through your telephone. So if someone said, it's probably happening to you if someone said, like say, hey, you should smell my house right now. It smells so much like candy canes for the holidays. Yeah. Well, that's it. Yeah, well, turn on your smellophone and you'll smell it without being at my house because of COVID. Virus, please be over. Please be over. Amen. There we go. Well, I have to control what songs are coming on. Don't want anything too bad. Oh, come on. I'll pause this. This is a... let's see. I'm gonna play Smooth Criminal.
Seriously?
What?
I need one more.
Bag of kebab things? Oh, come on. Very bad. Mix.
Where did I put this? You think I had them? We made marshmallows or something?
Smooth criminal. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. By the way, if you don't know who's singing this is Michael Jackson. I listen to him a lot. And BTS. If I hear someone say Michael Jackson or BTS, I go crazy. No, Alexa. I don't want you to talk. Alexa, go away. Alexa, go away. Okay. Lyrics. Are you okay? Are you okay, Annie? Are you okay? Oh, this is a daisy or flower. Okay. So, Annie, are you okay? Are you okay, Annie? Annie, are you okay? So, Annie, are you okay? Are you okay, Annie? Annie, are you okay?
Scarlet sing.
Yeah. That's a lot, but not enough. It's a lot, but not enough. No, it's gone. Whoa. Where is it all? Oh, it's right here. Stick, 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 glue. Smush. My dad does not like slime nor kinetic sand. Wow. Guys, look at it. And I like how it doesn't stick. It was $14.99 in Target. It is so cool. You get four bodies of slime, green, pink, white, and purple. Then you get some foam beads. You get yellow, pink, green, blue. Wait, is there a green? Yeah, I think. And then rainbow. And then you get a Gucci color pink, blue. Wait, yeah, Gucci color pink. Then you get hot pink, which I just used. You get blue and you get green. They should have some purple. Guys, look at this slime. I love it. It's so cool. Look at this. Woo. So guys, I hope you liked my video. Please subscribe to my channel. It would be very helpful, and make sure, and if you didn't yet, please, Roblox is very, very fun, especially adopting. You can play with friends, you can adopt cute pets or babies, and you can even get legendary pets. And there's a new spring update. There's ladybugs. There's a normal ladybug, there's a golden ladybug, and there's a diamond ladybug. So guys, if you want to play or do whatever, then yeah, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Bye!